AI, the brain powering smart cities. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the heart of many smart city solutions. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data. This helps in identifying patterns and making predictions. This allows cities to optimize everything from traffic flow to waste collection. AI can also power smart traffic management systems. These systems adjust traffic light timings based on real-time traffic conditions. This reduces congestion and travel times. Imagine AI predicting and preventing potential problems before they occur. This is the power of AI in smart cities. Section 4. Smart Cities in Action. Real-world examples from around the globe. Many cities around the world are already implementing smart city initiatives. For example, Singapore uses sensors to monitor air quality and cleanliness. In Barcelona, smart lighting systems conserve energy and reduce light pollution. These are just a few examples of how cities are using technology to improve urban living. From Amsterdam to Seoul, cities are embracing the potential of smart technologies. Each city tailors its approach based on its unique needs and challenges. Section 5. Shaping the Future: Benefits, Challenges, and the Potential of AI-Powered Urban Living. The benefits of smart cities are numerous. They offer improved efficiency, reduced congestion, enhanced safety, and a better quality of life for residents. Imagine a city where traffic flows smoothly, public services are optimized, and energy consumption is minimized. Smart homes equipped with AI can make daily living more convenient and secure. Public parks and recreational areas are cleaner and safer, contributing to the overall well-being of the community. However, challenges remain. These include concerns about data privacy, cybersecurity risks, and the digital divide. The vast amount of data collected by smart city technologies can be a double-edged sword. It is important to address these challenges responsibly. Ensuring robust cybersecurity measures and protecting personal data are paramount. We must ensure that technology is used ethically and inclusively. Bridging the digital divide is crucial to make sure no one is left behind in this technological revolution. With careful planning and collaboration, involving all stakeholders from city planners to residents, AI-powered smart cities have the potential to revolutionize urban living. They can create more sustainable, efficient, and enjoyable cities for generations to come. Imagine a city where green spaces are abundant, public transportation is seamless, and resources are used wisely. Families can enjoy urban parks, and eco-friendly transportation options are readily available. The future of our cities is smart, and it's a future filled with possibilities. The integration of AI and smart technologies promises a brighter, more connected urban experience. As we move forward, embracing these advancements will be key to unlocking the full potential of our urban environments.